welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheyenne, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did a sleek up puff with my 4C hair. If you're new here, hey girl, make sure you subscribe down below and turn on those post notifications. So you can be notified every time I post on my channel. And if you're returning, hey girl. Like I said, I did this sleek up puff, and I'll be doing a tutorial on that, so continue watching. Follow me on my social media accounts. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those post notifications so you can be notified every time I post on my channel. And let's get into this video. Alright, so for the sake of this video, I decided that I'm going to do a voiceover because there was a lot of construction work being done upstairs on my roof, and it was just too much noise. So right now I'm just deciding on doing this voiceover so I can explain a little bit better of what I'm doing. But right now I'm just basically taking out the braids that I did in my hair probably like 4 or 5 days ago, and this way my hair is already stretched out, it's already detangled. Prior to this, I oiled my scalp. I added a little bit of leave-in conditioner, so my hair is really soft, so no tangles at all right now. But that's basically what I'm doing, so that way my hair is stretched out, my puff is full as possible. And yeah, so just watch these clips of me taking out my braids and detangling my hair. Alright, so now I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and going through my hair since all of my braids are out, and I'm just making sure there's no knots or anything in my hair and helping my hair stretch out even more for my puff. I almost forgot that I had a hair pick, so that's basically what I'm doing now. Same thing with the wide tooth comb, going through my hair, making sure all the knots is taken out. And y'all see that growth, like 4C hair, period. Next, I'm gonna use this hard brush that I use for my hair and basically just like brush back any, you know, nappy little edges, the kitchen in the back, making sure everything is like snatched before I add any gel to my hair. And before I do that, I'm going to go ahead with a spray bottle. Yes, I love how I just said that and it popped up. But I'm about to go ahead with a spray bottle and just like loosen up, you know, those, I can't explain it, like them edges that could be a little crispy, and we need it to be a little moisturized before we add any gel to the hair. So that's basically what I'm doing now, spraying the back of my head, spraying the front of my head, just to make sure everything is being moisturized. Alright, so the gel that I use for my hair, it's the EcoStyle Black Castor Oil one, and I've been using this gel for a very long time, and this works best with my hair. But right now I'm just going along my hairline and going upwards, getting the back of my hair, making sure that all the gel is coated in my hair, making sure that kitchen is snatched, baby. This gel in general is just best for, I believe, for 4C hair because it works really well on my hair. So if you have 4C hair, give this gel a try, see what it does for your hair, because baby, it sleeks it, period. Next, I'm going to use the edge booster, and this is an edge control, but I'm using it for my entire hair. I know they have other gels that are strictly like hair gels, like similar to the Eco Style that I showed you, but right now I only have the edge control one, but it still works best. I feel like using this gel with the Eco Style that we used in the beginning really makes sure that your hair is sleek, really makes sure that everything is snatched. And this works best. It even works best when you're styling your edges, which I'll show later in this video. Alright, so now I'm going to use, this used to be a long stringy, but I cut it. So now it's basically like a long shoestring if you think about it. But I'm basically going to tie it in front of my head and slide it upwards. So that way I can form the puff, like form a ponytail. Instead of just using like the regular scrunchies that you see at the beauty supply store, I basically like made my own. So I'm slowly pulling it up, making sure everything is sleeked. That's my favorite word for this video, sleeked. Making sure everything is sleeked. And I'm just slowly pulling it up and adjusting it. And once I finally get to the puff that I want, I'm just gonna secure it with a bobby pin. Alright, so now since everything is sleeked, I'm going to lay my hair with 2 satin wraps that I used. I got these from Amazon, I think. And I use one for the front of my hair and make sure I tie it really tight. And then I go ahead with another satin wrap that you're about to see. And I use that for the back of my head. So that way the front of my head is secured, the back of my head is secured, and everything is laid down perfectly. Period. Alright, so right now I'm stretching out my puff with a wide tooth comb, and afterwards I'm going to leave these 2 satin wraps in my hair probably for like 10 to 15 minutes so that my hair can lay down, and then I'm going to take them out and style my edges. Alright, so now it's the time to take off my satin wraps and see if everything is laid down perfectly. And as y'all can see, it definitely is laid, period. It left like a ring on my freaking forehead because I probably had it too freaking tight, but it's looking good. But right now I'm going to use some edge booster to style my edges, and this is really hard to explain, so I'm just gonna like put this on time lapse so you guys can see for yourself. But I'm using an edge brush, and like I said, I'm using edge booster to style my edges. And yeah, just keep watching and see what I do.
Turn them down.
Alright, so now I'm taking off my satin wrap that I used to lay my edges, and we're pretty much done. Like, edges look cute, puff looks nice. I'm just going ahead with a wide tooth comb again, just to stretch out the puff even more. But that's pretty much the end of this video. If you made it this far, thank you guys for watching. If you want to see more hair videos from me, comment that down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow all my social media accounts. They'll be listed down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Toodles.